In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF into a Google form. This can be particularly helpful when you want to take information from a static PDF and make it interactive, allowing users to easily fill it out and submit their responses online. Let's walk through this process together, step by step, to ensure that you can easily manage and transform your document. Start by opening your web browser and going to your favorite search engine. Of course, in this case, it's Google. Now, in the search bar, type in "How to convert PDF to Google Forms" and hit the search button. This should bring up a variety of resources and guides. However, today, we are creating a Google form directly, so let's focus on a simplified approach. First, make sure you have your PDF document ready to go. It's time to transfer this information into a Google form. Head over to Google Forms by typing forms.google.com in your browser's address bar. If you're not signed in, you'll be prompted to log into your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see the option to start a new blank form. Click on that to create a new, empty form. As soon as your blank form is open, it's a great idea to name your Google form according to the topic or title of your PDF. This helps keep things organized and makes it easier for the people filling out your form to understand what it's about. Simply click on Untitled Form, and you can edit the title. Also, don't forget to add a description if necessary to provide an overview of what the form is for. Now let's move on to adding questions. Take a look at your PDF and decide which sections or questions you want to include in your Google form. Click on the plus icon on the right side of your Google form to add a new question. You'll notice different types of questions available, from short answer to multiple choice options. Choose the question type that best fits the information you need to collect. As you go through your PDF, continue adding the necessary questions, ensuring each is formatted in a way that makes sense for the users filling out the form. Remember, each question or section can be rearranged easily by simply dragging them up or down, so feel free to organize the questions to match the flow of the original document. Once you're happy with how the Google form mirrors your PDF, it's important to test it. Click on the Preview button located at the top right, which allows you to see exactly how the form will appear to others. This is the perfect time to ensure everything looks good and operates as expected. Finally, when you're satisfied with your form, you can share it by clicking on the Send button. This gives you options to email your form directly, share a link, or even embed it on a website. Choose the sharing option that best suits your needs. And there you have it. You've successfully converted a PDF into an interactive Google form, ready to be shared with your audience. This method not only transforms static information into a dynamic form, but also simplifies data collection for better analysis. Happy creating!